Good afternoon to all of you. Kai Rasika Mahavidyalaya Devni, Department of Botany. Myself, Dr. V.S. Chetge. Welcome to all of students. Yesterday discussed to the red rot of sugarcane. Now today discussed to the angular leaf spot of cotton. Very importance of the cotton in human being in a human being life. That is the cloth used to the cloth as well as the paper industries, manufacture industry used to the cotton plants. But a spot of the leaf spot, that is the slowly to totally bud formation. It is a study by the symptoms, causal organism, disease cycle and control of measures. We discuss to the angular leaf spot of cotton. The firstly introduction to the angular leaf spot of cotton. The bacteria blight of the cotton. It is a potentially destructive bacterial disease of a North Carolina cotton production, but has only been detected thus sporadically in a North Carolina. The cotton yielded loss caused by the bacterial blight have been previously reported in the excessive of the 10%. However, significant losses to this disease in a United States have not been recently reported. That is the angular leaf spot of cotton. Then now second point discussed to the symptomology. Bacterial blight of infection can be affected any above ground the positions of the plant and any point of the plant development of the lesions associated with the Xanthomonas binging. The angular leaf spot with a read to the associated Xanthomonas has been the angular leaf spot of the red to the brown borders. The tissue surrounding lesions may also become yellow, giving the appearance of a halo surrounding to the lesions. The angular appearance of the lesions is due to the restrictions of the lesions by fine of the fan of the cotton leaf, and bacterial may be spread along with the leaf fans, causing the blocked in the lesions along the major fans. The leaf petioles on the stems may be become the infected. The cotton black leaf which can be lead to the premature defoliations of the plant. The next point in symptom, the black cancers on the stem of the branch may be gradual. They plant of the causing positions to diet. The above canker, they additionally a white wax crust connecting of the bacterium may also form on the old leaf. The spot or cankers. The infected balls have rounded as a opposites to the angular lesions. That is the initially maybe appear water shocked and they become shook in the dark brown to black. ती जी बॉल आहे त्या प्लॅन्टच्या ते जे काही बोंड आपण ज्याला म्हणतो ते जी बड फॉर्मेशन होतात त्याला सुद्धा हे स्पॉट पडतात. त्याचबरोबर लीपला अँग्युलर लीप स्पॉट दिसतात. ते जे अँग्युलर लीप स्पॉट आहेत ते ब्राऊन टू ब्लॅक कलरचे दिसले जातात. मग बॉल्स इन्फेक्टेड विथ द Xanthomonas मे बी रिझल्ट इन द रूटेड द सीड अँड डिस्कलर्ड द लिटन. त्यानंतर आपण बघूया नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बघूया काजल ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. they very importance to the cause of the organism study by of the angular leaf spot of cotton. The causal organism Xanthomonas actinosporus, the molecularum a gram negative motile rod shaped non-spore of the forming bacterium with the single polar flagellum. These look like a diagram and look like a pictures of the angular leaf spot. That is the spot is the blackish to the brown colors. They clearly indicate that the leaf. That next point, the disease cycle of angular leaf spot of cotton. Angular leaf spot of cotton, this look like a diagram and look like a cycle. Firstly, infection, leaf and vascular tissue. Then the systematic infections of the plant is formed angular leaf spot, angle like a leaf spot. Then the several in the plant they are described. The disease by the wind, rain or the water spread. The invasions of the substable host, the formation, they lead to root infection. The infections of the leaf and the vascular tissue, development of the V-shaped lesion of the plant, lesion of the leaf, and show the infected of seedling, they infected next seedling and infected to the seedling, that is the kill of the leaf, and slowly total plant of the killed in the angular leaf spot. That is the very important to the management control of the measures. They complete have the disease cycle. The next disease cycle, they already explained to the disease cycle, but theoretically explained. Just now discuss to the disease cycle. The bacteria enter to the mature seed through the basal end to the crya. They over the winter in the minor, they contains on the surface seed or into the litten attack to the pollinator seedling are the chief source of the primary inoculum. The cotton is planted after cottons. Wind blown to the soil, rain and the regular waters, the means of the disseminations, the insect, they have little importance. The entomology, the high humidity of modern temperature, 28 degrees Celsius, favorable developed disease, the primary infections of fever through the 30 degrees Celsius and secondary infection, the better 35 degrees Celsius. Presence of the moisture is a very important. The first 48 hours, the dry hot weather regards disease of the development. That is the complete how the disease cycle. They have will the study in the graph cycle like diagram like a cycle as well as a theoretical like a cycle. Discuss to the just discuss. Any problem to the ask me. But measure and control of angular leaf spot of cotton, use of the health seeds from the healthy plants means resistance variety uses the suggest by the pathologist resistance variety and healthy seed use of the plant. Next, they control and measures declining seeds of the concentrated the sulfuric acid, they plotting of the delatin seeds, water removal of the plotting seeds. Then next, diffusions of the seed with 100 ppm streptomycin sulfate solution overnight the deep into the seed. Then next, destructurations of the disease plant describe the killing of the whole nighter seeds. And very importance of the control, that is the biological control. The biological control will be the 3 to 4 used to the biological control. First upon the trichoderma species, number of trichoderma species available market as well as the pathologist laboratory. Then second one, the leaf extract, the number of medicinal plant is available to the worldwide distributed. That is a few examples: Ajarecta indica, neem extract and lemon extract as well as the canker and Adathoda vasica, Neeram. Then number of plant is available to the worldwide. That is the just go to the field and as well as the collect to the leaf and dry to and crushing and juice to the extract to the collection and treatment to the disease. It is spraying to the disease. It is a stop here the disease in angular leaf spot as well as the oil extract. The medicinal oil extract is available to the market. The for example edible oil, medicinal oil that is used to the field. Thank you very much. Any problem to ask me, the chatting to the Google Classroom. All student request to the attend to the all class, and any problem to ask me, contact to me. Thank you very much.